Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I just want to give an update on the Moto One 5G Ace. I've been using it for a few weeks now, and I just want to give you an update because I haven't gave y'all an update in a little bit. So in this video, I'm going to talk about what I like, what I dislike, and some things that you may want to do before you get this phone. Y'all let me know if you like Motorola as a company. Do you like the phones that they are coming out with? They have came out with a couple of phones already in 2021. And we all know that they will release more phones later on in 2021. This phone you can pick up from Amazon. I'll have the link in the description, or their website for $399. Just think about that. 5G phone for $399. I'm gonna tell you why that may not be the best thing, but y'all let me know. Y'all let me know what y'all think about it in a little bit. $399, you get a 1080p display, which looks pretty good when you're watching YouTube and watching Netflix, looking at the screen when you're inside, but when you go outside, it's not the brightest. It's really not. I mean, for the price, I thought it would be just a little bit better display. I mean, it's not bad. It's just not what I was thinking for the price of $399. But it is what it is. The display is okay. Now, where this phone shines at, and where a lot of Motorola phones shine at, is the battery life. The battery life on here, I can get almost 2 hours. I mean, I can almost get between a day and a half to 2 days of battery life, and about 7 to 8 hours of screen on time, just depending on what I'm doing while I'm using the phone. And that's not bad. That's actually really good. That's what they promised, or they promised a great battery life, and you actually do get pretty decent battery life compared to other phones. Great thing also is, I just want to let you know I'm filming this with the Moto One 5G Ace. Say that 5 times fast. Y'all let me know how this looks. It's in 4K at 30, so these are the cameras too. So let's move on to the cameras. Cameras during the day look awesome. I mean, look good. I won't say awesome. For the price, they look good. During the day, if the lights are just right, you're going to get a good picture. Where this phone struggles at is during low light situations. The cameras are a hit and miss. I did not like it. Check out the camera review I did. I have the links in the description. Playing games on it, it was great. I didn't see any hiccups. It did a really good job. The battery life seemed like it lasts for a long time, and it will last if you're a heavy gamer on there. I didn't see too much of any lag when I was gaming on it. Y'all can check out that video also. So gaming, overall experience, not bad. Speaker on here is disappointing again. I don't know why they didn't do dual speakers on any of the phones they released in 2021 so far. The speaker's just okay, but I know my Moto G Stylus 2020 edition was better. And the Motorola Edge 5G, which I'm going to bring up in a little bit, was definitely better also than what this phone offers. I know what Motorola was trying to do with a, inexpensive $399 phone to try to get into the 5G market. Did they fail? I don't know. We're about to find that out too. Next, overall experience as far as the Snapdragon in here is good. I haven't had any hiccups or freezes. If you watch one of my videos, I did have somebody comment saying that their phone was freezing up all the time. They even brought it back and got a new phone and was having the same problem. I don't have that problem with this phone, so I don't know what's wrong with that person's phone, or maybe I got lucky. But overall, the experience with the phone has not been bad. Phone calls, good. Texting on here is good. The one thing Moto does great is just their stock Android appeal on here. So it's basically stock Android, which is, I like stock Android, and that's what you get with this phone. So that's not a problem. I do love the stock Android experience with the Moto Actions. Y'all let me know what y'all think. Do y'all like Moto Actions? Just the overall stock Android of the OS on here. It's great. It's really great. Not bad at all. How does the cameras look? How does I sound too? Because I'm not using any external mic. It's just the camera and the mic on the phone. But let's move on to build quality. Yes, it is a plastic phone. Does it feel plastic? Yeah, kind of, sort of. It's not the best feeling phone. It doesn't, I don't know. It feels, I won't say cheap, but it's not premium. And you can tell that, at least when I'm messing with my Galaxy S21 Ultra compared to this, you can feel it's not a premium phone. But it depends on who you're getting the phone for and what they do on the phone. Some people don't really need all that feel and all that expensive stuff on there. So, and if you're worried about 5G, this phone may be for you. Now, would I recommend this phone? Here's the end of the video. Would I recommend this phone over, say, the Motorola Edge 5G Edge that you can get right now on their website for $499? I would say no. I would go ahead and get the Moto Edge 5G before I bought this phone. If you can save the $100, save up the $100 and get the Motorola Edge if you want a Motorola phone. If you're looking just to get a 5G phone, then I would recommend the Google Pixel 4a 5G. If you want to get just a 5G phone and not break your bank. Because this one, I mean, if you want a Motorola phone, you can't save the extra $100, understandable, and you just want 5G phone, go ahead and get it. Hopefully you don't regret it, but if you can save that extra $100, get the Moto 5G the Motorola 5G Edge, because it just has a better display, the cameras are better, the speakers are better, you get a lot better features with that phone for $100 more. Yes, I know it's a 2020 phone. The great thing is though, they do promise one major upgrade, so with either phone you get, you're going to get Android 11, hopefully 12, but it looks like you might only get Android 11. So, yeah, can I recommend this phone over the Motorola 5G Edge? No, I really can't. If you can save the $100, get it. Y'all let me know what y'all think about this whole video. It's just a short vlog style video. I talk too much. I know it's already like 8 minutes into the video. But if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Stay tuned to the channel. I'll have more coverage on Motorola phones. Also, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Follow me on Twitter at Forza Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace, y'all. I'm out. Y'all have a great day.